Good morning, children. Today we will discuss about the Narayana revision classes key of class 7. Class 7 revision classes key and dated 9th. Dated 9th. What is the subject? Subject is social studies. Topic is what is the topic? Topic is reading maps of different kinds. Reading maps of different kinds. Okay, children. Okay, so today what is the topic? What is the assignment? The assignment is based upon the map that is given in textbook page number 3. Page number 3. So that means what are the different aspects that you have observed in the map? What is that map about? All these things are the questions that can be asked from this particular thing. Information skills questions. Okay, what is the type of the map that you have seen in this particular page? Because it is showing about all the divisions, political divisions, that is showing the states and the capitals, hence this is a political map. What is the map? That is a political map. So option C, first question, option C, political map. Political map, that is the answer, because it is showing the India political divisions or India states and capitals. Okay, and so in this map also they have shown the directions, especially they have marked an arrow like this, and they have shown north like this. Like this, every map shows or points out definitely one particular direction. Only in some maps they will deviate, but every map they will be pointing towards which direction? They will be pointing towards the north direction only. So that means option A. Option A, north is the answer. So north is pointed out. North is pointed out in this particular map. North. Okay, and you know very well that suppose if we want to describe any of the rivers or railway tracks, what is the symbol that will be using? What is the symbol that is used to represent the river Ganga? River Ganga. What is that we are using? We will be using the line symbol. We will be using the line symbol. Line symbol is used to denote the river Ganga. Like this, we will be drawing the line. We will be drawing the line to denote the rivers, right, children? And so in this map also, that is in the map that is given in textbook page number 3, they have mentioned very clearly about the scale. What is the scale that is given to them? What is the scale that is given? That is option B. What is that? 1 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to how many kilometers? 200 kilometers. They have given 1 centimeter is equal to 200 kilometers. That means what? If a map is drawn like this and if this is representing 1 centimeter, this 1 centimeter is equal to 200 kilometers of area. This is very useful because you know very well in the map scale is used to represent or denote the reduced distances. The actual distances are shown in a reduced manner in the map by using the scale. So what is the scale that is used? 1 centimeter is equal to 200 kilometers. And in that map they have shown the external boundaries. Like this, India is shown, and so outside this side, this like this they have shown. These external means outside. External boundaries are shown with which color in the map? External boundaries. A lesson also is given, no? External boundaries are shown with which color in the given map? What is the color? The color is B, black. Black color is used to represent the external boundaries. So suppose if you are moving from Patna to Chennai, Patna is there in the Bihar, that is in the north, and Chennai is in the south. So what is the direction that you are moving from Patna to Chennai? Means from Patna to Chennai, when you are moving, you are coming from north to south. You are coming from north to south. So what is that option? Option A. Option A, north to south. North to south. That is the answer. So now let us discuss about the 2 marks questions or 4 marks essay answer. Essay answer. So you have to draw a rough map of India. How you see, take the example that is given in the textbook and draw the map. See, roughly, simply you can draw a map of India that shows all the different things. But when you are drawing the map, take the precaution that you will be drawing and at the same time you will be showing the scale also. Scale also should be shown and the direction also should be shown. At the same time the index also should be shown. Like this you need to draw the map and you need to show that. So these are the precautions that are to be taken. Try to draw a rough India map. Rough India map. See, like this rough India map you need to draw this. So what did you observe in the given map? In the given map that is drawn in the page number 3, what did you observe? What did you observe? The first one is it is a political map. What did you observe? It is a political map. Second one, what a scale is given. Third one, what a direction is given. Direction is also given. At the same time, what is the fourth point? An index is also given. Index is also given. So it is a political map. A scale is given. The direction is shown, and at the same time, the index is also represented. Like this, all the aspects of the map are covered. Hence, we can come to an understanding about a map. Why this political map is given for your observation? To understand about different parts of a map. This is what you have understood from the given map. Right, children? Tomorrow we will meet with one more key. Until then, children, good day and have a nice studies.